Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by launching Word and signing into your Microsoft account so documents sync. Once done, tap the plus New Document or Open Files to import an existing docx. Make sure autosave is enabled and grant files access so OneDrive or iCloud can store your work. If you have an external keyboard or Apple Pencil, attach them now to speed typing and markup. These steps get you into editing immediately and prevent lost changes as you proceed. You'll focus on building the document. Select text to open the contextual bar and apply styles from home so headings remain consistent across sections. Use Insert to add images, tables, and links. Pinch to resize images and drag them into place for exact layout. For complex layout, open Layout to change margins or orientation. If you're using an external keyboard, learn common shortcuts like CMDB for bold. They speed up repetitive tasks and keep your flow efficient. When you're done, verify autosave completed and use Share to send the file as a docx or export to PDF for universal viewing. Choose Print to send to AirPrint. Make sure you close the document with back so changes finalize and avoid duplicate versions. If something goes wrong, Word not opening or sync failing, check files and network permissions, update the Word app, and if needed, reinstall. That usually clears corrupted caches and restores normal editing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.